You know, I've known David for about 15 years now. I know him to be a man of God, a man who seeks the Lord, who spends time in prayer, who loves the Word, who loves Jesus.
He has a passion for evangelism, and he was one of the key leaders for the whole Harvest Crusade, where we saw thousands come to Christ. And since then, I've seen him not just in community outreach, but in his local church ministry, be a vibrant witness in the community and around the world for the gospel.
The effort of the Triad team here reaching out, we've seen the love of God break down some of the hardness and the barriers in the lives of these young people, and now they're here hanging out with us as though we've been friends forever.
I believe God has gifted him and those he'll bring with him to help us do a better job, be more effective. And I really see it as a unique opportunity because David is willing to come to Miami and bring resources and bring a focus and bring the gospel to our communities.
This is a guy who with integrity can speak the truth and share the gospel, and I am so excited to see him doing this here in our community and around the country and around the world.
Romans chapter 1 verse 16 reads, "For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God to salvation, for everyone who believes, for the Jew first and also for the Greek." You know, the word power there is the Greek word dunamis. It's where we get our word for dynamite. You see, the proclamation of the gospel is powerful. Now, I look forward to coming to South Florida and joining with you to proclaim the good news of Jesus Christ in all its power. Because as we join together, like we see in the book of Acts, as people join together and proclaim the gospel, incredible things happen. And I know that incredible things are going to happen there in March. So I encourage you to get involved. Now, how can you get involved? 4 ways, really. First of all, pray for the event and everybody that's attending and all that are working for it. Prayer is the lifeline of outreach. The second thing is invite. Invite people, your unsaved neighbors and loved ones and coworkers and friends. This is not a Christian concert where we're charging tickets. The event is free so that unbelievers will come. The third thing is give. Help support the work of the ministry and also for the materials that will be provided for follow-up. And number 4, actually attend over those 3 nights. I look forward to seeing you and look forward to what God is going to do in a powerful way in South Florida in March. Be a part of it.
There's nothing more exciting, there's nothing more energizing than taking the gospel and seeing the power of the gospel changing the hearts and souls of men and women.